Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, The Well-Grounded Java Developer, 2nd edition, written by Benjamin Evans, Jason Clark, and Martin Verberg.
Java 21, the latest long-term support, LTS version, was released in September 2023. This chapter will focus on the features of Java 11 and 17, aiming to encourage migration from Java 8. Java refers to both the programming language and the platform. The language is object-oriented and statically typed, while the platform includes the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, which executes compiled class files. The Java Language Specification, JLS, and the JVM Specification, VMSpec, ensure standardization. The JVM supports multiple languages, and the class file format is the link between the Java language and platform. Java is both compiled and interpreted, with source code compiled to bytecode by the Java-C compiler, and then dynamically compiled at runtime by the JIT compiler. Java became open source around Java 6, with development centered on OpenJDK. Oracle, which acquired Sun Microsystems, bases all Java releases on this open source codebase. Java previously followed a feature-driven release cycle but switched to a time-based model with Java 9. New features are developed on separate branches and merged when complete, with releases on a strict schedule. Java now has a new version every 6 months, with LTS releases every 2 years. Oracle's JDK distribution became proprietary with JDK 11, leading some users to switch to open-source alternatives. Most teams still use JDK 8, 11, and 17, with minimal changes to LTS versions. Java has introduced type inference to reduce verbosity. Starting with Java 5's generics, Java 7's diamond syntax, and Java 8's lambda expressions, Java 10 made a significant leap with the var keyword for local variable type inference, LVTI. This allows the compiler to deduce local variable types, promoting cleaner code. var is a reserved type name, not a keyword, and does not affect runtime performance. Java's type inference is local, focusing on simplicity and clarity. Language changes in Java are influenced by other languages and libraries, with some features requiring deep integration into the platform. Changes range from simple library updates to major new features like lambda expressions. Syntactic sugar involves minor compiler changes, while language changes require updates to the Java Language Specification, JLS, compiler prototypes, library support, tests, and documentation. JVM or platform changes need additional steps, including updates to the JVM specification and tools. Java changes are introduced through Java Specification Requests, JSRs, and JDK Enhancement Proposals, JEPs, with JEPs now contributing to platform JSRs. Incubating and preview features allow for testing new proposals, with incubating features released as modules and preview features requiring compiler and runtime flags. Java 11 introduced collection factory methods for creating immutable collections easily. It removed enterprise modules such as JAX-B and JAX-WS, now necessitating external dependencies for their use. Support for the new HTTP2 protocol was also integrated, offering improved web performance with features like multiplexed requests. Furthermore, Java 11 allows execution of single-file source code programs without pre-compiling, simplifying script-like execution of Java code.
Get this book at manning.com